Hola, buenas tardes, muchachos y muchachas. Hi, everybody. I'm excited that I saw so many of you already engage in lesson 1 on the first day. Here's lesson 2, and today's objective is about understanding and communicating in Spanish about the home. I'm going to show you how to do this lesson, so I'm going to walk you through each slide quickly. ¿Dónde estás? Estoy en... ¿Dónde estás? Where are you right now? ¿Estás en la escuela? No, no estás en la escuela. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Estás en Disneylandia? No, no estás en Disneylandia. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Estás en un concierto de rap? No, no estás en un concierto de rap. Entonces, ¿dónde estás? ¿Estás en un apartamento? ¿O estás en una casa? So this unit is about your home, and in Spanish we say an apartment, apartamiento, and house, una casa. But if you're saying that you are at home, then you always say en casa. Even if it's not really a house, en casa means you're at home. So right now, ¿dónde estás? Estás en casa. ¿Qué está en tu casa? What you're going to do is watch a couple of videos that show you a lot of different things that we have in our homes. Furniture and other objects that go in the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedrooms, etc. I would like you to draw me a picture and practice using some Spanish words and explain to me what one of your room looks like. One of the rooms that you're hanging out in right now, maybe your favorite room or maybe the room that you do this homework in. Just draw a picture for me of one of the words, of one of the rooms. So this is an example of what your picture could look like at the end. This is la sala, which is the living room, and it has all of these pictures of some details, and some of them are labeled with the Spanish word la mesita, la lámpara, el sofá, las cortinas. Yo veo means I see. You don't have to include that, but you could if you want to. Here's another example of what your picture might look like. This one's a really fancy picture and much more detailed. El dormitorio. That means your bedroom. The things that are labeled here are la cortina, la ventana, el cuadro, la cama, la almohada, la planta, el teléfono, la silla, la papelera, el cajón, la cómoda, la lámpara, el espejo, y el estante. So the picture you're going to do at the end, you'll choose whatever room you're going to do. You'll draw a picture, or if you want, you could take a photo and then label it with these words if you know how to do that. It's up to you. You'll watch this short video about objetos en la cocina, objects in the kitchen, and you'll watch this short video about muebles y objetos en la casa. So here you're going to see a short video about lots of different things in the living room, the bedroom, and the bathroom. Then you'll complete this work. I'll show you a place where you can go to a Google slideshow, and you will paste a picture here. So you will draw this picture and then you will paste it here into the slideshow. Your picture that you draw on paper is of a room, like for example, maybe you draw your kitchen, And then you're going to put the words for several things in Spanish. You can choose 6 to 10 words that you want to use. And always write your name, grade, and teacher. So what I would do is I would write it on a piece of paper, then take a picture of it, and then upload it and put it onto the slideshow. But that might feel complicated or confusing. Another way that you can do it is you can take a picture of it with your phone or your iPad, or maybe even your computer if you know how to do that, and email it to me here or text it to me here. By the way, I was really excited to see one person came today at 2 o'clock to a Google meeting every day at 2 o'clock. I invite all of you to come join me in a meeting on Google at this. There's a link right here where you can go. If I double click here, it'll take me there. Every day come at 2 o'clock because we can talk about the lesson, any questions you have, or just practice speaking in Spanish. Or you can just say hi and we can talk to each other. I'd love to see how you're all doing. So text me a picture of your work, email me a picture of your work. If you know how to draw it or download pictures from the internet and label it on the slideshow, you're welcome to do it any way that works for you. And send me an email or a text message if you have any questions. Thank you so much. You'll finish out today by a little greeting from Lucky. I always like to have him contribute something. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Hasta luego.